Amakhosi ezizwe ezahlukene kuleli athi ubudlelwane bawo nongangezwe lakhe bebunenhlonipho nokusebenza ngokubambisana.
Egameni lobukumkani bamaXhosa ndivakalisa uvelwano kubukumkani bamaZulu ngokuthi bashiywe ngukumkani uZwelithini kaBhekuzulu. Sithi sisizwe samaXhosa akuhlanga lungehlanga kwisizwe samaZulu. Ukumkani uZwelithini usishiya ngexesha apho besifuna kakhulu ulwazi lwakhe ngokuba ebeyikumkani ebe indala kuzo zonke ikumkani apha eMzantsi Afrika.
His Majesty the King, King Vululwandle Sandile, is very devastated because he had a very special relationship with his uncle. Looking at him as a role model, especially on the concept of developmental monarch.
We are aware that he was ill in hospital for an unduly long time, but had hoped that he would come out safe and healthy.
Sivuke ngezihlungu ngokuzwa ukukhothama kwengonyama isitshaba samaZulu. Ingonyama ukuthi uZwelithini kaBhekuzulu. Besinethemba lokuthi ingonyama izaphola ibuyele esitshabeni sayo samaZulu. Abe mkhanya akhanyisele nezinye intsha.
On behalf of Watsonga, Machangana royal leaders, we were shocked actually to learn of his passing this morning.
King Torimpi Pramabrana has just learned about the passing away of King Bhekuzulu of the Zulu nation, and is quite saddened by the news of his passing away.
Isilo samabandla besigxile ezinhlelweni zokuthuthukisa umphakathi ukuze kuhlomule zonke izizwe eNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu kuhlaluke ngesikhathi ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uDokotela Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma edlulisa amazwi enduduzo.
We should remember him as a person who was very forthright, who spoke out his mind, but who was also respectful, because when you met him, he didn't, at least in my interactions with him, he was always returning your respect.